Oh my goodness. Hey family and friends, I'm with my brother Fat Dog. The man's got me into fish up in the mountain, and I want to return the favor. He's never caught a shad, American shad. So today we venture out in the Sacramento River where I had great success. Follow along on our trip and see how we do today, okay?
Fish on, fish on.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see that? Get it on there, bro. Get it. Yeah, I want you to feel it, man. I want you to feel the experience, brother. All right, my brother's got a first fish on here. It's a shad. Oh yeah, baby.
How do I get it out?
Push it in.
Out of your line.
Don't worry about it, bro. Just
Oh, here he comes. He's right here.
yeah. Oh yeah, baby. First shad. Yeah, baby. G-hammer. Bam, bam. Woo! Bam. There you go, brother. That's how it is.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, brother. Fish on, fish on. Get him. Still on? Still on or no?
Yeah,
oh yeah. Woo! Fish on, baby. Yeah. Woo!
This one's fighting a little more.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. It's my dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo!
You got the drag.
Maybe the double, man.
You
Who
got
knows? Mardi Gras beef, brother. G-hammer, bam, bam. Mardi Gras beef. Yeah.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Fish on, bro. Fish on, fish on, bro. Fish on. That's one. Fish on. Calm, man. Whoa! That dog on his number 3. So, family and friends, remember, I have a new platform. It's called Newsbreak. Please check it out and please follow me on there. I'm going to put some neat contents on there that may not be seen in YouTube. So I do appreciate you guys coming over, following me, and giving me a follow on that site. Today we once again we're using the Cheeky Shad Smacker, and we smack a couple of shads. That is for sure, but not as much as the other time that I was here. People behind me right there, there's about 7 or 8 boats. We fished from 10 o'clock. They weren't really biting. The boat was kind of weird. The tides didn't really go straight. But as soon as the tide goes straight, right around 4 o'clock, the fish went nuts. Unfortunately, we were on the wrong side of the river this time. On the east side of the river, boats were just smacking them left and right. We were on the right side. Finally, we moved, but we went way beyond them. So we ended up with 2 American shad, and then we missed one. And remember, when you're fishing for shad, you can't set the hook. You kind of have to, they're like coconut, you kind of have to reel them in. And my brother Fat Dog learned that today. Once again, family and friends, thank you very much for checking out our channels. I hope that you subscribe to both of our channels. And if you're on Newsbreak, please follow me. Until the next time, peace out. Woo! Bam!
Do it now.
All right, family. Fat Dog got a chance to do a good deed here. We're towing a damsel in distress right there.
You're pulling somebody in.
So we're on the way home. Saw somebody need help. And Fat Dog got no problem, man. He stopped by to help him. We're going to pull him to middle. And hopefully we'll all be safe. So everybody have a good day out there today. Thanks for following us along, guys. All right, family and friends, we get to rescue somebody. There's a jet ski right there. We're towing back in Miller Park. This is after a American Shad Fishing trip. Thank you for coming and following along with us, guys. Hey, family and friends, we get to rescue this beautiful woman right here. And that's your husband right there?
Yeah, my husband.
And that's her husband right there. So we're just gonna tow them all the way to Miller Park, and they're so good sport. They're gonna let us videotape them.
Yes.
And we're gonna put them in, hopefully make them famous, guys. So go check them out. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Very beautiful day today.
Beautiful day to be broke down on the river.
Right.
Thank you very much for following along with us.